Up, this is Esco the Shaka live from Jamaica representing for Pretty Girl Storm. You know what I'm going. Blood out the Esco.
Kalia, when you're ready, you're just spiteful and just, you know, see, you still like your father. You have your father ways. Yeah, you're really believish, me I tell you. Cause me don't know where you're going so far. And I go on and no tears. It's just the fear teeth them. The fear teeth them will just hear them. Nothing is wrong with her now. She's just been moaning. She want to do. Oh, mama, stop it. Stop it, mama. Stop it, mama. Nothing is wrong with you. Be a good girl. Wait there. May I change her? Da. Say dada. Call dada. Dada. Say dada. Dada. Say dada. Oh, you're not going to look for your father. I'm downstairs. You're not going to give him trouble. You just give me trouble. You know why I'm there for life. Sometimes I want to come for life, come chat to the girls them. You understand? It's not all about rubbings. But I have to make this Abe Saunders know that you're not in none of us class. Like, really, lady, you're not. Like, stop. Like, stop cause people, and I know it's your, stop cause people about them underneath. Everybody who are big. Big pussy brass. Big pussy Tanya. Big pussy Fred. Big pussy diary. Big pussy toilet power. Big pussy diary. Big pussy. Big pussy Starbossy. Like, how would you know if a pussy big? Like, lady, please stop. Yeah, she could stop calling him now and go where she go. You come for your face, you find your face. Leave. Just love it. Just stop calling people names. Because we clown you out. You don't understand, lady. You are a joke. We laugh after you. You're a clown.
She go on like she don't know I don't cuss on IG. So I don't know why she's cussing me.
Go on. You're a clown. For real. You are a clown. We don't rate you. We laugh. You don't see how we laugh over here and chat you? You don't see? Huh? Oh, you know, say Island Candy don't have her husband. Like, stop. People not going to come on here and hear out their private life, everything about their life. That doesn't mean the woman them don't have them partner. If you can ugly so, and you get a partner. So one to them nice lady we over Yasuh. Me hear Yasuh. Listen, stop talking about Storm boss live with her mother. Dirty girl. My sister have a nice condo. And no rent she pay. She not pay not even mortgage. She buy her house cash. Cash. She buy it. Stop talking things where you don't fucking know. You just mad because you don't know how my sister Storm Bossy look like. You will never know her identity. We don't gross upon our sisters. You understand? You will never. But I can tell you this. My sister is mixed race. She mixed. And she's fucking Jamaican. And she's fucking beautiful. She's tall. And she brown. And she pretty with her pretty eyes. Live in a basement. Everybody live with their mother. Everybody don't live nowhere. Everybody now not stay. Everybody can't find food for blood clot eat. What go on, Saskia? Yeah. You need to fucking stop now. You need to stop because people about lies. You full of shit. You coming like a fucking crab. You walk sideways. You fucking bitch. Stop calling name over Yasuh. We good over Yasuh. You understand? Mind your fucking business. Mind your fucking business. Leave people alone. See people business and leave it alone. Hey, hey, hey. Where's it tomorrow? We all are gonna get it. What?
Yeah, because she sit down over here watch and our fake it.
Love son, I just want thing I tell you, you know. You see, you see anything where you put up with me, I have it, monetize. You don't know what you say, me not put you up. Me not put up you, me not put up nothing for you. So you can go throw up my picture now, cause everything are documented, you know. Cause you saw you throw up the girl picture, you do the girl and the girl throw up blood clot super you. You see all that girl where you crossing the girl? The girl have a big job. The girl drive a nice car. The girl is a Canadian. Yo, me used to tell life on that girl, I say. The girl got prison. The girl now no stay. Yeah? The girl do this, the girl do that. The girl got prison for God. Me sit down. When she talk about the girl, me sit down and I say, like, with a girl, I get her story them from. You see your so-called career, what you're saying you have. The girl actually is that you fucking bitch. That's the girl job. You're not a fucking nurse, you bitch. You're nothing. Fuck off. She put store on everybody. When me hear her today, I call my blood clot name. And I come talk about, oh, Miggy, you got to pussy, and Miggy, you got to somebody else. And me, let you don't know, fuck all. One woman me ever introduced to you gonna puss. Me never introduced nobody else to him. So it wasn't for raffle, and it wasn't nothing like that. You understand? Me talk over again. Why me and Puss war? Puss is making problem with my mom and my family. She's causing confusion, contention, all of it. Things them, the devil things them. In my blood clot family. Me I defend my mother and my kids. Me no business about Puss and Hugo relationship. From day one, I come on here and I talk. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, baby. Let me see where I eat. Mommy fast. Oh. Amanda, you really bought this and don't give me none?
Who did buy this?
Who buy it? Who buy this?
Daddy.
Tell him I'm making peace. You have more? Well, ask him. Why am I saying self for so in the middle? Rather not care feelings to me, you know. Because I'm sick and tired. And worse true, me not give him nothing. Find top of it him bitter. If you want rallying for 8, me not give him nothing. Lord Jesus. He miserable and cross. You see me to give him something last night. He would have been to me one upon the life, because I'm nice. Exactly. Me hate her when she talk about good people, man. Where the kebab? It's finished? That finished? The kebab? So you couldn't come straight with me? But you always share with me. So what problem now me cannot share with a woman? No, but you always share with me. You always. No, you carry me. Anyway, me put my life car. I know the feelings where you carry. You text it for me blood clot, man. You don't know my bumbo clot, man, from nowhere. You show the man picture. And I tear down the blood clot, man. For no reason at all. You see a fucking black Jamaican man want to be a father to his children. And you come. And you know yourself so what you say. I'm tell you, Raleigh is going to sue you. I'm not asking Christ. And I'm paying my money. I'm paying my money. I have to make an example. Either out of one uno on social media will come and target me. I'm a blood clot pitting him. I'm a man. Me can't sue you. Come on, I'm a war with you. But Rally don't know you. And then Mega said, this is why I came out and speak. Because she was spreading rumors. You think I can't go in a court and say, oh, she make fake page of me? She do. Show the fucking proof. I came out and defend my children and my partner. When you come out, for months you're over there, show me picture. I show me children them. I show rallying. Like, how the fucking can get up and just want tear down people life? Woman, you know me hate you. You call social service for me. Where you know me from? May you pay scotch together? When they talk about, oh, I don't want no friend. Lady, all if me you never war, would I never watch you. Would I never go for your life. I wouldn't know you. You're too ugly. I'm not interested in you. Nothing what you say, I give a fuck. Because you're a lie. Compulsive lying. You make your kids sure. Because take piece of kibag and
No, it's a
go down the run part of the throat. Crave on my blood clot crave, you know. And the kebab nice. The kebab they nice. I not like me that eat a kebab. I swear to God, it's nice. Yeah. You get up on your dep on people. You cuss me. You cuss my man. You cuss my kids. You make fake page to Amanda Pan. Like, lady. Like, you already cussed the whole of we over Yasuh. Happy birthday, Dolly. Happy birthday, love. You cussed the whole of we until we already saw our pussy big, our pussy stretch out, our pussy this, our pussy that. Okay, make us stay, make the big pussy girl them stay over there, so. Make us stay over here. Cause you say we're all big, we're all this, we're all. Make us stay. Where you want with the far? Fuck out of here, man, and stop calling people name, man. Like, you have to be in the mix. You could have heard this mix-up going on and don't involve yourself. Nobody want to hear fuck all from you. Y'all come talk about, oh, and our brother this and our brother that. Let me tell you something. Your sister loves Saunders. Rub out your blood clot for your YouTube. We have it. Your sister come and rings you. You know, I don't understand with them people, yeah. Them have family problem, you know. But them want meddle in other people's life and be the judge and the prosecutor and said, oh, this is this and this is that. Nobody done perfect. We have to understand, say the devil are run wild now, you know. So some people just make the devil run up in them, you know. They can't help themselves. They make a deal with the devil. So them have to get up and terrorize people. Fuck out of here, don't call my name in your fucking mouth. You don't know nothing. Or what you're saying about you gonna marry a Muslim woman, that's not fucking true. You don't know nothing. You
I don't know
make
what
up.
kind of Muslim woman would have like a whorehouse.
Exactly. She make up pretty. You know see what she do today? She showed the page where I rubbed me out from last year. I like can you see the page? She go up on her pretty YouTube. Every video, me used to answer, me stop answer. Me tell her, say, you know what? I'm not even gonna answer you no more. Fucking ape, your life is sad. You know that page on YouTube? She showed the fucking page today. You're a sick fuck. Nobody don't like you. Nobody don't pick up for you, but oh, I love Saunders only a sick head right into a third party and pick up for them fucking self. The page pretty well did that rub me. Me I fret them. But I mostly me. Tanya, everywhere you see her. You see her on King Mix Up page. You see her on social media blender. You see her upon with another one name, Big T Entertainment. All of them you see her upon. And all of them shall call up my name. As I said, I used to answer the fucking ugly bitch, but I decided waste the time. Like, I'm a star, you know? You are my body follower. You have to follow me. You have to talk about me. That's so great. Me give you blood clot, idiot. So you met the page, all right? Why don't all contact the police in Canada and file a serious report? So, okay, you know, say Amanda, this place where, because you see how
Yes,
what she's
said
doing, you know?
Brittany was one of them. Remember, Brittany said she knew she was lying, but because she didn't like the rest of the people, them, she agreed with
Exactly.
her.
Yeah, you know she can get 5 years in prison. What she's doing, she is harassing people, and it's illegal in Canada. So when she put up, she make a page. You know, this is how sick this fucking woman is. She went on Facebook. People, she have Facebook. Let me tell you this. She have Facebook. We don't listen to her. She went on Amanda page, but Amanda page is private. And when she went on Amanda page, she took off Amanda profile picture. She make a WhatsApp, like she make a chat like it's Manda comment on something on her page. And you know, so the woman screenshot it. And like Manda that say, yeah, daddy, something about some daddy, something like that. She talk. And then the woman put it and put Raleigh name at the bottom. And she made the page and said, oh, Jaja, Tanya, look at your daughter and her dad having sexual conversation. Like big pussy girl. If Raleigh and Amanda have sexual conversation, how the fuck you would have get that? Like this is all on a sick. Sis, leave it to me. To me, I will tell you what to do. Give me. All right, sister, more you tell me what to do because I'm tired of her. Really and truly. You know, I did ring Canada police. I did ring them. I Googled the number and I ring them. But what the officer was saying, she was saying that I should let my police contact them. And Manda get a number of this place, and she call them and them give her an email for file harassment and bullying on the internet by she. Amanda put every evidence of her talking about she and her sibling and her dad. Like we don't know this fucking bitch. Like bitch, you are destroying people's children's life.
She's
Like
crazy. You guys
she's
live all the
sick.
way in England.
Yes, sister. Me I leave it to you. You get the information. But as we say, man, that they contact the people them and they email them. And the way Manda even contact our son and in Black Manda. Because our son is an activist. And my daughter Amanda is an activist also. Right? And Amanda message him. I say, listen, how can you be an activist and you're speaking for Black Lives Matter, but your mom is on the internet harassing and bullying people's children? Do you know what your mom been doing to me and my sibling? Your mom is putting up me and my sibling and talking sexual content that we're being raped. She even called social worker in Black Manda. Boom, him not reply, him just Black Manda. So you uphold with your mom nastiness. Because I'm telling you, if I'm doing something wrong and Amanda know that I'm wrong, Amanda is going to say, like, Mom, don't do that. Don't do that. That's not right. And I will listen to my child. I will listen to her. Right? And you get up, you make fake page. You see that Sunday there? Me eat the woman for what she do. She make her say, Love Saunders, what does Amanda ever done to you? Do you know that you're harassing and bullying a vulnerable person? Like really, they don't realize what they're doing, you know. Alright, me now wish dead for my child. So alright, suppose me never grow my children them strong island candy. Me grow them strong that they do not make negativity tear them down. Right? Suppose they were like, you have a lot of children who are vulnerable and so want to put my kids them through and no pitney would have killed themselves. But to say if man that care for harm themselves, we don't know say all I know I got prison. Them don't know I got prison. Them don't know that you know. Them not Google them things there. The whole of uno we back fake page in them name, come in at them inbox, stay up on the live and tear them down and say things about them like they're young ladies. Kiara is 15 going on 16. Kiara is a prefect. Kiara is on the right track. And this woman don't know my children and this woman is continuously putting up my kids and attacking my fucking kids. I'm going to tell you, love Saunders, me, I go fix you. I see my blood clot sister there. But you don't know, say, I'm on the child. She know every link and she know everywhere. Me, I go cool you. Because when you can't blood clot here, you shall feel. You talk about your face from last year till now. Fuck off. We don't want to hear nothing from you. Stop picking argument with us. Stop showing people photo and talk shit. Because you have to have strong evidence of what you're saying and you don't fucking have. Shame on fucking you, bitch. Shame on you to come and join the harassment group, bullying, harassing a mother and her fucking kids. You have proofs that me use your fucking face, bitch. I wouldn't use an ugly bitch face. You're ugly. Fuck off. I never make a page in your fucking name. Yes, I throw you up. When you throw me up, when you throw, you put all on my little son, my nice brown clean skin son. Like why you posting people fucking kids and then when people do it back to you, you're upset. So you don't think say me have feelings too. When you join blood clot post team, and you talk something, me have all of them something there. You love Saunders. You have to prove, say. You claim that. Hear what she say? Me come on the internet and say, yes, my be father fuck pitney, but me like it like that. Like, lady, what's fucking wrong with you? Why would I come on social media and say something like that? And I know Shakia, you know what she do? When me I do a live and I say, yeah, una say rally na fuck pitney. She turn it round, she twist it round. And she play that. Oh, do you hear her? Do you hear she's confessing what Rallying is doing? Lady, I'm telling you, I'm gonna fuck you up. I'm serious. I'm gonna fuck you up. If I can't sue you, Rallying is gonna sue you. Because Rallying never done a live. Rallying don't know you. Rallying never talked to you. And you do multiple live showing the man photos. It's all over YouTube. All over YouTube. Everywhere where you do. Showing his photo. Putting the man life in danger. Putting up my address on your page. Telling people that the man is a pedophile and he's raping his kids. Like, only don't know, say, all of them things I will not do. You have some sick people in this world where children apricot will love pitney. Can't come up on the live, straight on the live one day and think, oh, now say it's true and come kill me and Rallying. Hmm? Come kill innocent people who actually love them fucking pitney. She can't show a port, she can't show nothing. No. But Tanya, why I love Saunders, I will get money. Listen, she said, Sharina for PR too. Remember, she come out and said she going to sue Sharina, you know. And Sharina have to pay her even $2 a month.
I remember that.
Yeah. So now Sharina sue you nasty, cambabulous blood clot. You cry like a baby. Yeah. So here what? We know you don't have the because you can't afford a lawyer. But where you go in a court say, you know you are one really dickhead lady, you know take life serious. You are gonna make social media, right? Put you in a debt. Because you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna have to end up file bankruptcy. You know that when she don't sue you. And you don't have no evidence as Shireen doing a live about you, pulling up your picture, writing about you in her name. You don't have no proof. You go, hey, you tell her the woman sick. The woman go up on Facebook 3 years video. Where Fred them I do. I think Fred them are about Keiko. Yes, Suki checks up on Shireen. 3 years ago video. She take it off. When the page, if that page is not even Shireen, the page said, someone that Share Miller. Share Miller, the page say. You never say Shireen Miller, you know? And she take it off and then hear her, oh, you see it? You see she's on. First of all, we never know you 3 years ago. Never know you. That no prove nothing, lady. The woman can't go anywhere, go comment and write on any blogger blood clot site. That don't give you a right to showing the woman fucking children and talking about the woman kick her son down the step and broke her son on like pussy wall girl. Like all those lies and things tearing down the woman. The woman is in her professional job. Showing the woman picture, calling the woman a hooker. You see the girl in her, those pictures what she's showing us, Shireen, they're like 10, 12, 10, 15 years ago. When Shireen was young, and now have nothing for blood more than party and enjoy herself because she's young, right? She's showing the girl photo in a nice dress. Oh, you're a hooker. You're a whore. Look how the way you dress. Like, lady, I'm telling you, you're going to get some fucked up shit reach you, lady. Lady, when are you going to stop? That, like, really, right now, you have a suing case. And I'm not asking nobody. Shireen is going to win you with all of those evidence. What the woman have against you. And you still not learn. You still not allow people. Do your life. Talk about what you cook your egg food, cook your blood clot vomit food. Do you plant your vegetable? Do what make you happy. You don't have to come and a bagger. You say all what you need to say to us already. There's nothing left for you to say. Why y'all pick war with Island Candy? Why? Like low people alone, man. Start out your blood clot suing. We're not the making. We're gonna make you bankrupt. We are people. We're gonna say, because it's going to court, and we're gonna hear about because Shireen gonna say, oh, so she says she owned a condo, she owned 2 condos, she owned a 5-bedroom house, she owned a porch. You have to go show the judge them, all of them, assess the way you have it now. Because remember you're rich, So, Shireen can sue you for even 130 blood clot, 1,000 Canadian dollar. But say me can't wait for the court case blood clot start. You want problem on top of problem. When you have to wait for J
That
to
can
walk
keep her
some
busy.
to bag a bag. Exactly. All what she's doing, she don't have to. She's so fucking stupid. Like, lady, your ass is already in problem. Leave people name out your mouth. Do you know that? Listen, I'm telling you. If you accuse someone spreading malicious lying rumors, causing them distress, mental distress, you can be sued and you can be charged. And you don't have no fucking video of Shireen doing you nothing. All because you look for one blood clot life, cause you follow behind fret them batty, who much about 2 years now. You're there for fret them name. I ain't no fret them. Fret them a word Amari. What the fuck that have to do with you? Yeah, Amari mother, yeah, Amari sister. Mari know you, Mari no count you. So you take it up by your head. Then you look and you see Shireen commented on it. Oh, you went, you click on the woman Facebook. Oh, I know this person. Like, we used to live in apartment or what they want to call it, right? So right away, you started plot against the woman. Oh, Shireen did this. Shireen, the woman never fucking trouble you. You're a troublemaker. And even you know that your fucking ass is getting sued, you're still troubling new people. Like, lady, go and sort out yourself a lawyer. Because you're going to have to pay Serene. Cause the woman distress. Tearing down the woman. The videos them all up on YouTube. Y'all call the girl a hooker. The girl that sell pussy. The girl beat her, pitting them. The girl man sell drugs. All type of things you're saying. You're destroying people's image. It's not we make you ugly. I know we make you ugly, lady. Even on her son graduation, she look in at the phone. She can't miss Baga Baga for exactly. She love Baga Baga. We have to understand that she don't have no real friend. So she used the internet, and also she was bullied. So she used the internet to terrorize people. Like you sick lady. Like, fuck off, man. Like you done enough. You done enough to my fucking kids. And stop telling people some trouble you. Me never blood clot trouble you. I me never use your bumble clot ugly face. Yeah? Me tired to tell you that. It wasn't me under that fucking page. I wasn't even on Puss Live because I was pregnant and sicky. Puss know who's under the fucking page. And you use that as excuse to say me run with your face. And you come at me. You show me kids them. You chat shit. Show Rallying. You chat shit. You've been chatting shit for almost 2 years about me. And I'm telling you, you gonna get a letter from me and Rallying. You gonna get a fucking letter. I'm gonna pay my money. And make sure Rallying sue your fucking ass. And if you go to court, I can say, listen, yes, I'm a mother. I come and defend my children. This fucking woman live on my name, live on my partner name, scandalizing us. Telling bare lies. I said, Your Honor, she even called social service on me. She even stayed from Canada and called social worker on me. And I don't know her. Exactly, Marcy. She get back her face. Me not understand why she make problem with people same way. Listen, we over here, so if you don't call our name, we're not calling your name. Simple. Island Candy Live have a buzz. We're enjoying it. We women over here are enjoying it. Why you hurt? You have your own life. You walk up on people live and take off things. But you gotta talk about, I don't want Island Candy come on my page and come take off my life. You know why you know why your life? You're so fucking dumb. You're so dumb. A lot of people on your page and they take off your videos. If you don't want your videos them to go viral, stop fuck with people. You so dumb. You think that you sit down on your live and because you don't share it, you think that people don't got it? Oh, Fucking stupid bitch. People got it. We got every fucking life you do. Because we're gonna fix your business. Because you're so determined to tear down people and their children and war with people for no fucking reason at all. Why you warring with us? Why fucking New Year you post my video telling me that I grudge you? Like, Tanya, this is what you grudge me. That don't make no sense. Like, really, that don't make no sense. Because why would I grudge you? You don't got nothing. No looks, no shape, no color. Not even. You don't have no love and warmness. You're just so aggressive and you're so mad with the world because the world beats you down. But listen, man, lady, may I tell you, may I warn you, stop calling my name in your fucking mouth. Leave my name out of your mouth. I'm not fucking around with you because you're too lie and you're ugly and you're delusional. Right? I'ma tell you, I'ma promise you, you can't get a letter about me and rallying in the post. Nah, ask Christ. I already seek legal advice. Yeah. You're gonna get it. I have to make an example out of even one on pan social media where I go around with no blood clot, lying tongues, and spreading rumors and malicious intention. The woman I want the woman call me. Me laying in a bed, me and rallying. Me show her, me say, look here. And me and my man lay down. Rallying a laugh and fight. Rallying say, bumbo clad, that woman is ugly. Here are. Go and clean your bathroom, Tanya. Go and clean your house. Like, bitch, you call me.
He tried video calling me.
8 o'clock on a Saturday morning, where, you know, during the week when you have to do school run today, so we sleep late. So me and my man did a lay down and we wake up, but we were laughing and chatting. When me blood clot, look, me see me I get a call from our carpet. Me say, where the blood clot? Me say, so you call me 8 o'clock in the morning. Your life is sad. Let me tell you something, I love Saunders. I would never ring your phone. For what? I'm not a stalker. Rather than laugh at her, oh, why your man laughing? Me say, because you're ugly. He must laugh. Me say, me a rally laugh her to scan. One ugly bitch. Fuck out of here. You can't tell me about cleaning. Me have OCD. Me love for clean. You can't tell me about house and tie the house and set blood clot house. Who the fuck is you? She's a mad fucking woman. The fucking woman called me and tell me, say, me forget about her, my bed. On a big sat there when me and my man relax. Probably was gonna cut a piece because the kids them didn't have them room and me and them relax. Probably they gonna cut a little piece. These are the fucked up shit you do to people. What the fuck you call island candy for? Island candy look like she want mate with an animal. Huh? Monkey, where you go sit down and allow people alone, ugly girl? Bumbo clock, man. Took for yourself, man. Not even take for yourself. Took for yourself. Took for your ugly self, man. Where? Stop terrorize people, man. When you see we over Yasuh, we're happy, we are enjoy ourselves. We no bad mind, we don't want to catch contention. We don't want we are war with each other. We don't make up lies. Oh, SWAT team, I gonna run diarrhea and rub this. What me I rub the girls them for? Me love the girls them. The girls them are good girl. Yeah, them are good. Be a good girl over Yasuh. Be a nice blood clot girl over Yasuh. Independent girl over Yasuh. We now war with one another. We not take me and nobody pan Yasuh catch up. My rather take for myself. Me not argue with nobody who I'm good with again on social media. Why you bad mind? Two Island Candy have a buzz.
She said all your friends are bossy.
Oh,
Don't listen to your friends are bossy.
yeah, I know him. He's on my page.
Yeah.
I do take you serious. Oh. Oh. I have him on my page, Kiara. Remember, I'm in the sickle cell group. Oh. I see already. I'm on his page. He's in the sickle cell group. You know, I joined a sickle cell group in America. That's why I said I'm so sorry for the people in America with sickle cell. Sad. Yeah. You come over here, you call up Island Candy. So Island Candy nice. Fuck you call the girl name. And you say, oh, which part the girl live? Me tell her, oh, she sick Island Candy. You remember when you drive
Yeah.
and you're there for your life? The woman clock everything. Here I know. That's the way you live. I be a Chinese live there. And you pay your rent, you not pay your mortgage.
But listen, she thinks she don't know where me live. That's all I'm gonna say.
Exactly. She see you go somewhere. She don't know if you fucking live there or not. And she's pointing finger. Oh, I live in one of the top community and this, that, and that's a bad area. And then you're paying rent. Hey, lady, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You don't know anything about the woman.
Nothing at all.
Try
I don't
to
come on live showing nothing.
exactly.
I don't go
Candy
in
don't
people's
show
house
nothing.
taking pictures and saying it's my house. Nope.
No.
Nada. Nothing.
Shut the fuck up, man. Like I hate when she judge another female. Like this woman is so bitter. She's so fucking bitter. She tear down everybody. Everybody should tear down. And when I'm not lying.
Yeah, try.
I'll Tanya beat you bad. I'll Tanya beat you bad 8 Saunders. I'm not lying. Tanya beat you bad. Yeah, Tanya beat you bad. Tanya look better than you. Like, you're nothing. You just come and you lie. You showing people's house. You showing people car. You don't have nothing. You never have to come on social media and lie. You could have come and nobody cares anyway. We don't care about what you have. I don't understand dirty, big face, Shrek face Brittany with her gun. I don't understand. Brittany sent a video to Island Candy, waving her gun, saying what she want to do to fret them. And then them overpost and
No, she never sent
negotiate.
it to me. Somebody sent it to me.
Oh, I think
I know
she
she
said it in
did
your inbox.
No, somebody else sent it.
Then, only overpost and negotiate at the same time who want to kill puss. And big face put up on blood clot baboon face. Fiona and a Shrek. Blood clot Brittany. And we have our gun and I said what you want. I don't understand you people. Like you can do us all the things and then when we open more mouth and talk is a problem. Huh? Understand? Like listen, fuck off and stop call Island Candy name in your fucking mouth. Because Island Candy, we are work on her. We are gonna sue her. What a lucky thing you know a picture with a girl. Because me I tell you, say we did that picture with Island Candy, you that fling it up. You that your lady, you need to stop put up
No,
with
she has a picture of me, but she's not gonna fling up my picture because I'm so pretty. She has nothing
she's
to
so
class
brave
me
to show
about my
her
lips.
face. God was real. Ex sister. God. Me I tell you say everything done pan 8 Saunders when she a make. God does fling something here and there. The girl ugly, the girl ugly, the girl ugly, the girl broke, the girl poor.
Yeah, she can't class me about nothing that me smoke weed. That's why she not fling up my picture.
But she's cussing you about your vagina. Like, how do
Can't
you
she know
know
about it?
about Island Candy vagina? How do you know that Island Candy don't have a husband? How would you know that?
Me not have no man.
All that uno well now, mind man. Listen,
You can come
good
cut
pussy
me, but
got
I
to
have
get
no
things.
man.
Good pussy got to get things. Do you realize all of us women over here? Hi, we have woman.
So me work
Hello,
at
man,
Amazon
love we.
and I'm
Yeah,
getting tired
we
and
not
I
mind no man.
get
Hell
tired.
no. Yeah. So why y'all throw dirt on people name, but all of we are mind man, and we are do this and we are do that. Stop chat your blood clot, fuck you, man, bitch. Can come out and call me name, but me tell you something, lady. Tell you something. Me I fix you. Me I go fix you.
And she always a chat people and they cuss people and have her page lock up. Like, why you such a scaredy cat, Love Saunders?
Because she
Open up your page,
knows.
man, and
She
talk up your things where
knows.
you must talk up.
Me tell her. She never remember other day she never have no problem shot taking people. But because she get the letter or the email about the suing, so she's basically now she's really scared, you know. But you know when somebody can't help themselves, they don't have an inner spirit to tell them like, okay, I think this is enough now. Just leave the people them alone. Like this is getting out of hand, suing in progress. When you're supposed to stop trouble people, you are still fucking around with people. I don't understand you. Yeah, Island Candy is a nice girl. She's a
My,
beautiful
my
girl.
everybody knows my pages have friggin' pictures on it. My Island Candy Treat page. I ain't hiding.
I'm telling you, she's scared now
Everybody
to
must
post
see.
people picture. Me, I tell you. Why is she always hiding her house if she rich? Talk to her sister.
That may I say on the Porsche.
She
All
not
the world
darkness.
can see Porsche.
You know this morning the woman live and alright. If it is live and showing us what she's doing and like, oh, you know, I'm doing this and making breakfast, you all hear her mouth and the phone in the darkness. That don't make no sense. Like, why do you come live? Like you don't need to come live. Like we eat. Our kids eat breakfast. Our kids are good. It's not you alone can get up and make breakfast for your kids them. Like this is why I'm a despiser. The things and what she says. Irritate the fuck out of me. Like you're in darkness. It's not like you're doing your little life and you're making people on the journey. We want to see your nasty fucking house. We want to see your clutterous house, your dark, shady, clutterous, older house where bare old blood clad furniture and bag and pan and everything in it. We need justice. We need to see that fucking house.
And the car.
No, definitely we know she don't care. But we need to see that beautiful dining room where Yasuh were present and said, oh, I get present from work, y'all. Yeah, they give me yo, the woman see no pussy clock. The woman I show the wild people them present. Lady, where is the Apple Mac computer? You remember when you were in the wild people them house? And you said, oh, this is my Apple Mac computer. And you went in the people them draw and you take all the people them iPad. Yes, you did. So when you over your life saying, oh, I have a computer, I have Android, I have Samsung, I have iPad. Where is the Apple blood clot Mac where you sure?
It's not working
Exactly,
anymore.
Suki. Suki, you have money. My sister Suki have money. She's not on the internet acting like a fool. She's not parading her big fucking house, her nice fucking car.
Every
Huh?
time I see anything about Suki anywhere, she's always giving away something.
Exactly. My sister is a top girl. Top girl. Like, this is what I say to her. You need to stop telling lies on people. Pretty girl Storm have her own condo, drive her nice car, have her money. You're tell, oh, come out to your mother basement, can you live with your mother? Like, fuck you. Oh, your man they are prison, like, fuck you. You don't know if pretty girl married or not. You don't know how much fucking kids she got. You don't know nothing. Stop chat shit. You notice that I don't come in here and make a story about none of you. Lady, you put out the video, lady. You put out the fake videos of your fake lifestyle. So you gave us something to talk about you. We don't come over here and just say, oh, the woman, this and that. You show the pool. Where is the pool? Where is the patio with the big pool? We need justice for that. When you're walking and said, oh, the pool is doing this and the backyard is doing renovation. We need fucking justice. We need to see you in a bikini or a tongue, sitting down with the eyeglass over your fucking face on the pool side at summertime and said, fuck you, bitches. I'm living up. I'm living it up. We can't see that. Huh? It's not we come out, come say, oh, should this, because you could have ugly, you have your money for true. But when me I say, you come out and you say you have this, say you have that. You show all the stuff. Where is the walk-in closet? Where is the Louis Vuitton and the Louis Vuitton scarf and the Louis Vuitton bag? Where is that walk-in closet where all the brand shoes? Anyway, those are white people clothes. Those are not, from you see them, first of all, your fucking foot big. Yeah, big foot. Big blood clot foot in the wilderness. Your foot them the small so. You are liquor size blood clot level. Yeah? Come and see your foot. Me see how walk your foot just big and platter out on the ground. Coffee foot, bitch. And then y'all show the nice white people, them trainers. Not the trainers. I see boots. I see heels. Like, who the fuck you don't wear heels? Bitch. You can tell you're not the type of person. You can't wear heels. Your foot them too big and you're too ugly. Those things not gonna look good on you. We need justice for the big chandelier. We need justice for the big staircase. That we're talking about. You come and fucking lie. You show us fake stuff that you don't fucking own. Then
Yeah, she's acting like people made up stories on her. People just call out her lies and she's mad.
exactly, she show us the lies and we talk about it because it is lie, lady. You're sick. Not even a good, not even a good look up Brazilian ear for your head. Like, as Brittany said, oh, you see Tanya in her mama wig and you run. Brittany must spend 30 pounds on my blood clot mama wig. And it fit me, it don't fit Love Saunders. Cause Love Saunders head come like say coon head. You don't know a coon head? Her head just go up in a one coon and then the wig just catch on top of the head. So my galax. Yeah? Bumbleclad. So you talk about you have to follow me. That's to show you how you forgot buy them wig. Them wig they don't look good on you. You're too ugly. Find a hairstyle that suits you best. Why me not like me not see which yourself with you. Exactly, her head come like a mop head. Yeah, right, babes. Me there you go and rub this blood clot, girl. Cause she want me for rub her. Cause she won't leave me fucking name out her mouth. Me tell her, do not call my name. Fuck off and leave me alone. I'm not troubling you. I don't want you to call my name. Why you don't understand? Look there, you can't call Sherry name. I saw me gonna make you can't call me name, you know. You're gonna learn the hard way.
Oh, that's
Cause you
why
fuck.
she keeps saying that other one over there and that one.
Yeah, she can't call Sherry name. Me keep on
Okay.
her ear about this love song. Yo, she name Ugly Sanders, Lex. Ugly Sanders. Yeah, cornet. You remember the show cornet do the cornet go up so. And then she just tap on the little ear on the cornet. One ugly blood clot girl. She ugly plus tax. And the way us can talk about good looking nice people. People with them life comfortable. Shower about people life. We're good. Life is fucking great. We're comfortable with what we have in life. We're grateful. We don't have to tell no lie. Justice for the lies and the people them blood clot us. Justice for the people them pool. Justice for the people them porch. Justice for every blood clot lie you tell in our entire life. Lady, you lie them dry like the wig with the on your head. Hmm? Fucking hell, me never seen nobody lie so. Like a
Oh,
coconut
God.
brush sister, the woman head. Hey, me not like God hate you, you know? God hate you. Do you ever hear that woman talk about God?
No.
Never. She don't talk about God.
All she talks about is oh, white people. She put white people on a pedestal and she puts down black people, especially Jamaicans. That's all I hear she talks about.
She know that you're not fucking Shireen. She knows. She does. She does. It does burn her. Oh, she needs some wig, sister. Talk to. She need your wig. Them can you change wig every minute? Everybody knows she's lying. That's why the page come out 2 days before Christmas. I mean, I tell her, said the woman stay up all night. I say me laugh her to scorn. Like, nobody can make me stay up and I try cover a lie with a lie. All the people them said, okay, you're at your home. The beautiful, open, light, nice White House, right? Why you can't show the skull every room and video it? Simple as that. Oh, when you did there when my video, lady, your video the people in bathroom in a silence. First of all, me you talk about cleaning job is hard. Cleaning job is not fucking hard. It's not. Because as you can see that those people, they maintain their home. Like if a home is maintained and always on top of cleaning, when you go to clean it, there's nothing like too much to fucking do.